Morning guys, March 5th, 2024. This one we're going to go back to that furnace job that had the 185 volts going to the board's going to be smoked, I guarantee that. But anyway, I did call the electrician. He went over there and he called the electric company because I guess he said that there was something wrong with the line coming in, and I guess the electric company had called the electrician back and let him know that there was the line coming in from the street was going through a tree, and the neutral got fried inside where that tree branch was. So I guess they either put a new line or fixed it. I don't know what they did, but he had left the power off to the thing last night, so he's got no power. I got to go back over there and turn the power on, make sure that the sub pumps are working, and then we'll get the probably have to run on and get another board. But I want to just double check it when I get the right voltage that it's definitely fried or something. It's not working, obviously. I didn't have any power going to the step down transformer through the board, so if that don't work, nothing's gonna work. So we're gonna go there, we'll turn the power on, we'll make sure we got the 110 going to the board, and I did check the fuse when I was there. I think it's probably gonna need a new board. I know I did talk to the homeowner last night. He said that, he asked me, is that why my refrigerator's not working? I said, yeah, probably. There could be stuff throughout the house that's fried, because you're supposed to have 120 volts going to this stuff, and it had 185. I guess from what the electrician says is, you're supposed to have two 110 legs coming into the house with a neutral. And the neutral coming in keeps them two legs at one equal value. And say you lost your neutral. Well, if one's 185, the other one's going to be only like 40. Right? So you got 240 coming in. If you got 185 on one leg, the other one's going to make up the difference if the neutral's not working. Supposedly. I'm not an electrician, but that's what the electrician said. And he said it's very dangerous. You could have fires and stuff like that with that, because it's not designed to carry that voltage, right? So, very interesting. We're gonna get the heat going. It's not that cold out. I wasn't really worried about going back there last night. It's been pretty mild. So we're going to go over there and try to put a little video together, what happened. And I don't know about the mini splits. Them things might be fried too. You've got an AC unit over there. I'm not worried about that. I'm just worried about getting the heat going for now. And when it warms up a little bit, they'll get into the rest of the stuff. I know it needs a new refrigerator. You know, like the dishwasher might be cooked. The stove might be cooked. The igniter for the stove, I don't know. We'll find out when we get there. Depends on what was on that high leg. Whatever was on that high side could be fried. Fried chicken. The branch right there that they cut down. Looks like this branch right here. Looks like that was the issue right there. Like they ran a new line from here. They took that branch down and ran it, tied it in. Boom, boom, boom. Should be able to turn that rain on. Yeah, the pump just ran, so that's good. That's still okay. I don't know about the furnace though. Alright, so I got the power on. Let's see if we can power coming into this thing. We did check the fuse yesterday. We'll see if we're getting power. L1, L2. think I'm gonna need a new board for sure. Boards. I don't even have one in the truck there. Got a board in the truck. It might be. You can see it on that one. Put it. Alright, so L1 and then the neutral 120. That's better. Alright, let's see if we get 120 going to the transformer. Actually, I think it's the board's fried. Yeah, we got 120 going to the transformer. See that? Well, we'll see. We might just need a new transformer. Let's see if we get low voltage here. No, it's just the transformer's bad. I gotta put another transformer in there, which I have them in the truck. That shouldn't be an issue. That might be an easy fix, guy. Son of a gun. See? You wanna take your time. Let me get a transformer out of the truck. Shut the power off. Maybe they got lucky. Maybe they got lucky. I'm just going to plug it back in for now. Should be a couple of screws in there. Should be able to get that out. There's one. He's got a couple of screws loose, Mama. Hopefully this is all it is. We'll put a new one in there. This one right here. 110. I know the red and the green are 24. The red and the green are 24. And then white and the black should be 110. And then the orange and the other one are 220. Okay, we're just gonna mount this thing. Here's a leaker. Here's a leaker. I can mount it right on the front here too if I want it, just like this. Might be easier. Might be easier to mount it right on the front there. What do you think? Here's a leaker. Here's a leaker. Put the other. She's got a couple of screws loose, Mom. I'm gonna put that ground on there, I think. It's not gonna work on that. It won't look like it. I'm gonna go straight up with it. Not on an angle, dum-dum. I'm gonna go straight up with it. Let me put a mark. Put it there. I have to put it in right there and then. Okay. I think I'd better off with the one that's got a point on it. This is a little wider. That's fine. Alright, that'll go now. Just gotta put that ground on there. Hook the ground up. Should be good. Well, it'd be nice if you didn't need a board. It would be nice. But I didn't need a fucking board. It's not cheap, you know. There it goes. Yeehaw! Alright, and then we got. Alright, so the orange and the red will be capped. Because we're not using those. We're using the 110. The white and the black here. There's 110. White. And the black. Black to black. And white to white. And then the blue and the brown, the blue would be the red on the low voltage. The blue. The blue, that's the low voltage. And we do have a good fuse there, and then this is the brown. This is the common for the low voltage. And it should work. I should be able to light it up and fire it up. Well, I thought that maybe the board would have been fried, but you never know. Right? It's always good to double check shit. That's my motto. Double check it before you start buying stuff you don't need. Alright, I should be able to turn it on. She's a runner. We'll clean all this stuff up a little bit. She's a runner. Got lucky. Got real flippin' lucky. That's weird. That's flippin' weird. There goes the fan. was so bad. It could have been worse. Well, that works. Well, that's good. Uh-oh. That might be cooked. Well, I think that's cooked. Oh, I'm not even going to play around with the TVs. Hopefully that's not a problem. I don't know about the rest of the shit. I got the heat working for now. TV might be fried too. I don't know. I guess he'll find out, right? Alright, I'm gonna play step down transformer. She's a runner.